Hello and welcome to Off Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this 71 plate Defender V8. The car itself is finished in Santorini Black metallic paintwork and it is a massive spec car. But taking a closer look round then, we'll go through all the options as we walk around the vehicle. But as you can see, it's got the Satin Black Bonnet, it's got the exterior black package with all the black badges. You've got your front fog lights as well as your front parking sensors, and then you've got the Signiture xenon headlights with the Signiture LED daytime running lights, and you've also got the added benefit with this Defender of having 360 cameras all round. But then coming then down the driver's side, condition wise, it really is in stunning order throughout. There's no signs of any scratches or dents on the paintwork. You've got the rear feature of the electric deployable side steps, so they'll go in a moment. And then the vehicle itself is riding on these lovely 22-inch gloss black 5-spoke alloy wheels, and then the previous owner has painted the front brake calipers in this lovely satin blue paintwork. But then as we come round then, another one of the massive features is the opening and sliding panoramic sunroof. You've got rear privacy glass on this one as well. But like I said, a really stunning vehicle throughout. Then as we come through to the rear, you've got the spur wheel on the back. You've also got the lovely feature of the deployable tow bar, which can be tucked away when not in use. But then taking a closer look then into the boot, condition wise, it's absolutely in fantastic order. You've got the blind at the top there, and then if you quickly look under the boot floor, you've got your jacking kit as well as more extended storage, and then you've also got AC plug socket as well in the rear. And then it's also been fitted with this lovely bumper protector on the top there. But then again, passenger side wise, again it's free from any major dents or scratches. All the alloy wheels, they're all in perfect condition all round as well. Like I said, just looking round, it really is a stunning looking mean vehicle. But then jumping inside them, running through the specification, I'll show you into the rear first. So with the interior, you've got this lovely leather and suede interior. You've got a rear armrest as well with 2 cup holders, and then like I said, with a panoramic roof, you get all the benefits of the lovely weather. And then a lovely nice feature of the rear seats, they are heated as well. If you just press the button down like so, they are both heated. And then like I said, you've got dual zone digital climate as well, with 2 USB-C chargers and 2 12-volt power outlets as well. And then looking at the backs of the seats, they're all in perfect order as well. And then you've also got the added benefit of the genuine tailored floor mats as well. But then jumping inside then, running through specification, you've got 4 electric windows and electric power fold mirrors. You've got 3-way electric memory front seats for both driver and passenger, and then you've also got the blind spot assist as well, which is displayed with the orange dot there. And then like I said, you've got your V8 kick plates, and then you've got this lovely Alcantara steering wheel. When then jumping inside, a lovely nice feature is the head-up display. You can't really see it, oh yeah you can, before you couldn't see it with the sunlight, but you've got head-up display, which is a lovely nice feature. Coming then through to the interior mirror, you can have it set as a standard glass mirror, or you can flick it up so it's got a camera, and then you've also got the added benefit of Homelink as well, so you can pair these to your electric gates and electric garage doors. Coming in through, you've got the full digital cockpit, and then as we're doing the video today, the vehicle has only covered 25,717 miles. You've got automatic lights with front and rear fog lights, you've got auto wipers as well, adaptive cruise control as well as speed limit control, and heated steering wheel as well. When then coming through then to the radio screen, it's all touch screen, so you've got full satellite navigation, which is very easy to use and very responsive. You've got full Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, full DAB radio and all the extended channels. And then as we click on the button here, you've got obviously your seat heating, which your fronts are heated and cooled, which is a lovely nice feature to have. And then obviously you can control your rears from the screen as well, but these are just heated only. Coming back through to your climate, so you can set the climate for your load space. If you've put a pet in the back, you can set the blower temperature in the rear as mentioned before, and then your front's all dual zone climate as well. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've also got your 360 cameras as well. Bless me, sorry. So you've got your 360 cameras like so, and then when you pop it into reverse, it displays your lines onto the rear as well. And then quickly flicking back through, so you've got your deployable side steps, which you can put in roof access, so they're permanently deployed on one side, and then off-road operations you can completely turn them off. And then, as mentioned before, you've got your deployable tow bar as well, which if you click store, it will electrically go in. And then you've got your weight centering and towing and trailer as well. But like I said, you can alter all the front climate here, so you've got heated front windscreen, heated rear windscreen, your rear suspension setting, so you can have it as off-road height, normal height, or access height as well, which deploys it to the lowest it can be. Extended storage with 2 USB inputs, 1 Type-C and a 12-volt power outlet again. You've got storage space on the top here, which can be removed to show 2 cup holders, wireless charging, and then also the lovely feature of the fridge as well, which you can have on really cold, mild, or fully off, like so. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.